I'm in a festive mood today. What's going on, guys? This is Sam, and Apple's September 12th iPhone event is official on Apple.com and also through press invites. Apple themselves has confirmed that the Steve Jobs Theater in Cupertino at the Apple Spaceship Campus, they're going to be holding their September event. And the invitation looks like this. I've also got it on the computer behind me. Pretty simplistic. If you don't know already, this is just an outline of Apple's Spaceship Apple Park campus. It looks really cool, clever invite design, but it doesn't really tell us that much. Now, what's interesting here is that on Apple's website, they don't have the usual catchphrase that is accompanied by one of their invites that is only found on the official press invites. Now, unfortunately, checked my inbox and I didn't get anything. So I will be covering the event from afar per usual, but there are a ton of people actually going to Cupertino to go hands-on with the new iPhones, with the new Apple Watches that are likely going to be announced now in just around 2 weeks. And on that press invite, it says gather round. Now, that's sort of a play on the fact that Apple Park is a circle and Steve Jobs Theater is like a circle. We don't know exactly what that means. I don't think it means anything else other than gather around, because there are going to be new products announced, and pretty much every leak or source in the game has said the new iPhones are coming in September, and I think new Apple Watches will probably be coming as well. Sprinkle in a third product there, we could see the new bezel-less or Face ID enabled iPad Pros as well, but we're not entirely sure if those are going to come in September or with Max maybe at a second event later in October or November. If we take a closer look at the invite, there's not a lot of revealing information here. It says gather round, there's an Apple Park logo, and some stuff is in gold. The only thing I think we can remotely pick on or take away from this is that gold is coming to some products. And according to the rumor mill, gold will be coming to the two higher-end OLED iPhones, so the iPhone XS and the iPhone XS Plus. Those are going to be really cool because they only came in silver and space gray last year, and now they're going to be available in silver, space gray, and gold, which is cool. But besides that, I don't think Apple's really telling us anything with this invite. There's no words or text. Like, if you remember back a few years now to the iPhone 5 event, shadowed in the date for that event was a 5, indicating that Apple would release the iPhone 5. And since then, honestly, they haven't really done anything as bold or as obvious as this. This is very nondescript. We can't really get much out of this, but everything is in gold. I think Apple chose that color for a reason, and it almost certainly indicates that gold will be coming to the two higher-end iPhones and maybe even to the lower-end iPhone 9 as well. Apple's September event is usually their most exciting one of the year, unless you're counting WWDC if you're all about software. But for hardware, this is Apple's premier event. This is what we've been waiting the past 365 days for, and although I will not be able to be there live, you can definitely bet on lots and lots of coverage that day talking about literally everything that Apple announces, because I'm hyped and I can't wait to share with you what Apple's been working on for the past year. So if you're excited, drop a like down below, smash that comment button as always, and smash that subscribe button as well for more videos like this in the future. For now, I've been Sam. I hope you're doing great. Stay festive until then, and I'll talk to you all in my next video.